A debate on whether the removal of President's Counsel Mohan Peiris from the position of Chief Justice was legal or not was held at the University of Colombo yesterday.
A group including the President of the Bar Association of Sri Lanka, Attorney-at-Law Upulja Surya and Attorney-at-Law Gomida Asiri and Salya Peiris were in attendance for the debate organised by the Moot Court and Debating Society of the Faculty of Law at the University of Colombo.
A motion was tabled under Article 78(2) of the Standing Orders with a motion urging the removal of a judge, here in this instance the Chief Justice, Dr. Bandaranaike. The removal of a judge should be confined to Article 78, Sub-Article 7 of the Standing Orders. But unfortunately, there was no mention of 78(7) in the motion. Now, having done so, now they realize that they have, to say the least, they have made a mistake, a terrible mistake. I won't say it's a complicated constitutional process, but I must say the words as referred to in the laws, the standing orders and the constitution should be followed to the letter. You are removing a Chief Justice of the country. So what was conveyed by the Speaker to the President is important, because this has not been in the public domain. There is not a word in this communication addressed to the President to remove the judge. In these circumstances, she has not been removed. That's the position that the Bar took. That's the position that was finally vindicated. Thank you.
I think it's quite fashionable these days for Chief Justices to be booted, because every Chief Justice nowadays seems to be getting booted. Maybe I'm the only unique person in that sense. I supported the removal of Shirani Bandaranaike and opposed the appointment of Mohan Peiris. Mohan Peiris was a legal advisor to the government, was attached to the Defence Ministry. How can you possibly accept justice in such a case? You make political appointments, whether it is Shirani Bandaranaike from Chandrika Bandaranaike's regime or Mohan Peiris from the Rajapaksa regime. It's wrong.
In the eyes of the law, Mr. Mohan Peiris was never Chief Justice of this country. So if he was not Chief Justice of this country, there is no need for him to be impeached. Because to have tried to have him impeached would be to recognize that he was Chief Justice. And I say that would be doing injustice to the Constitution. Even to move to impeach him would be to recognize that he is valid, he is the Chief Justice of Sri Lanka. So in the eyes of the law and in the eyes of the Constitution, his appointment was an absolute nullity.